Hello, a little bit about myself. I'm Bob Mays. I've been working with Old Dominion Brush now for 34 years. And I'd like to introduce our DCL 750 TM 25-yard machine. It's the value unit, value engineered unit. And how we did this is we didn't chimp on quality. We did it by parts count. We got rid of parts and we got the cost of it down. And as you see, it's basically just a chassis, a leaf box, a motor, and a blower housing. Very simple, very low parts thing. It's a direct drive, so you get rid of the sheaves and the belts, and the it still has an automotive style clutch, 2 1/4 inch diameter shaft. It's got a 25-inch Threadmaster fan in it that is standard. One thing we did is we don't put a piece of pipe with the boom. We got bearing actuated boom swivel, so it's easy of use back and forth for the operator. We have a adjustable pintle eye on the front that is not toolless. You have to have tools to set it, but it is a pintle eye that you can change the height about 12 inches. We got a 12,000-pound parking jack. Now we could have an option of a hydraulic jack on the front. You got the 74 horsepower John Deere diesel, standard. We do have the auto clutch, which has got a clutch assist on it. When you put it in gear, it doesn't jump in gear. You just basically tap it. It will go in gear slowly. As I said, 25-yard box. How we did this is this box is basically only 4 panels to create the bottom and 4 panels to create the top. All the panels are exactly the same size. It's got 10,000-pound axles underneath it to a gross of 20,000 pounds. It's got a 14,900-pound hoist in it. And all this information is in your book. It's a trifold thing that's in your book if you have any questions about it. One thing I'd like to mention is this blower housing. It has quarter plate liners, 2 liners that can be put in through this face right here. So if you're going to service the impeller, you take this face off. This 25-inch impeller, which is made out of A400 AR plate, will come right out the front. And the liners will go right in, replace the liners, replace the impeller. It's very easy to do with just taking off this ring of bolts right here. This ductwork up top, I have it inserting into the white piece like this, and so you get very little leakage, and it has a good seal in here where it seals, and so as you can see, it doesn't drool materials and stuff all down your blower housing. All right, this unit, the DCL 750 value engineered unit, has 200 less parts than our standard TM. It's got a single door on the back, top exhaust. We do have the expanded metal wire mesh screens in top. You can get perforated screens as an option. Basically, it's just a hoist that's welded to the frame and weld it to the box. So it's very simple. I'd like to mention that this unit has a auxiliary pump on it, and when you get out your tow vehicle, you walk on this side, you start the engine, you pull the handle, it dumps. All our units come with a body prop on it, so once you raise it up, you can set the body prop for safety reasons. Has a engine screen, a box engine screen that we actually form all this corrugation in it to give you more surface area. If you're going to clean this screen, it's on a hinge. We do it like this. Brush the debris off the screen, close it. Ready to go again. It does have a 40-gallon fuel tank. It has a 20-gallon hydraulic tank with an easy to access filter, and the battery is all right here in this compartment right here, so it's easy if you need to jump it, put jumper cables on it. It's all right here.